We were the first ones to do scientific research on the bead. We are the only ones who have a published book on Rudraksh, which is the bestseller since so many years. We are the first ones to tell the world what is Rudraksh, and we give free recommendation to everyone. Now there are laboratories mushrooming all across because there is no control. They don't even have knowledge on how to test. ज्ञान कहाँ से लाओगे? Gyan requires a lot of commitment. One more unique thing came, Nirakar Rudraksh. I don't know what price they are selling for. You know, Nirakar is a made-up product. These beads does not have any mukh.
We have seen claims made by certain organizations, we don't want to name anyone, which spread misinformation and I would say a more demeaning light on the whole subject.
There are many people, but they all are new babies. ये बोलते हैं 3 पीढ़ियों से हैं. ये आलू पूड़ी बेचते थे सौम. We know everything and even local Nepalis they know. एक तो सारी कॉपीज हैं. Trust the original. Why the copies? नेपाल के कुछ लोग हैं बोलते हैं पशुपतिनाथ में पूजा करा के देते हैं. तो पूजा करा के देना ऑन अ टेम्पल इज द बिगेस्ट स्कैम दैट इज हैपनिंग. यू कम टू पशुपतिनाथ, यू कैन नॉट गेट द पूजा डन, यू कैन नॉट गेट योर रुद्राक्ष टच टू द शिवलिंग. इट इज इम्पॉसिबल. अगर पूजा करा के बोल रहे हो तो पूजा करवाओ.
Om Namah Shivaya, Har Har Mahadev. Welcome back to a series of Rudulife's internal podcast with Dr. Tanay Sitha. And today we have something really special, I would say a visual treat for all Rudraksh enthusiasts. And a very special event has unfolded recently where Rudulife, in my personal experience, some of the most fascinating gifts of nature which I have personally seen. And to delve more light into it, Dr. Tanay Sitha will share some experiences. And I'm sure this will be a visual treat. So if you have any questions, any kind of doubts or queries, please mention them in the comments below. And without wasting any time, we will delve straight into it. So, Om Namah Shivaya.
Namaskar.
So, Dr. Sitha, recently you made a trip to Nepal. And some really fascinating wonders of nature, I would say, are currently in the possession of Rudulife. So no better, I would directly want you to share your experience and tell us what are these wonders.
So, Somil, this was in the last 25 years. I have been going to Nepal regularly, and this is generally we go around November, December, or maybe during the Dashera time. But this time I had to go quite early. So I was there from 1st September till 3rd. I was there for 2 days, and my people had collected some exotic and very rare Rudraksh, which I have not seen personally in the last 25 years. At the same time, what information I gathered, certain beads since last 35 years have not come. So I was so inquisitive because seeing such awesome beads, and you know, in our earlier podcast, I had always said that the beads which are coming these days are with all that Chinese medicine, and you know, the mukhs are closed. But this time, the rare beads that have come, and what I'm talking rare beads are 21 mukhi and above, and even a few 19s, 18s which have come. They are surprisingly very, very large, and at the same time, no traces of medicine. It was something like, जैसे बोलते हैं ना, नेचर ने फूट के आशीर्वाद दिया. फिर मैंने बहुत सारी स्टोरीज सुनी. सो देयर वाज दिस पर्सन अबाउट क्लोज टू 35 years back who was the main supplier of Nepal Rudraksh to various ashrams in India. Many old people, they know his name. His name was Pashupatinath, and he was the sole supplier to all the ashrams of India. Now, he always used to say, this is a saying over there from, you know, all our wholesalers and Rudraksh dealers, that जब भी महाकुंभ होता है, उसका जो अगला सीजन होता है, उसमें फसल बहुत ही डायनेमिक आती है. Now, I did a calculation. So, the महाकुंभ just happened. महाकुंभ जो हुआ प्रयागराज में, तो उसके बाद की अब ये फसल है, तो इट वाज ऑसम. जैसे नेचर ने फुल ब्लूम में आशीर्वाद दिया है, भगवान शंकर ने सभी को दिया. सेकेंडली, I calculated that exactly 12 years back, I got the 27 Mukhi. So there were only 227 which have come as yet. And by God's grace, Rudra Life has both the 27s. तो इस बार बड़ी यूनिक सी कहानियां हुई कि कुछ बीट्स तो इवन वाइल दे वर एट अ फ्रूट स्टेज दे डिड द बिडिंग कि देखो ये तो बहुत बड़ा मुखी होगा ही होगा एंड वी and my people had to buy even at the fruit stage, you know, because there were a lot of people who were after those rare beets. So luckily, because of our credibility in the market and our long standing relationship with all our suppliers, we could get the best beets. 21 mukhi, 42 mm, 40 mm, never heard of, and good weight, no medicine. 22 mukhi, 38 mm, 40 mm, 23 mukhi, 42 mm, 43 mm, no medicine at all, heavy beats. 24, 25, you'll be surprised that 25 Mukhi is the best beat that has come. Maybe it is 2025. I don't know what cosmic relevance it has, but 25 Mukhi, 45 mm sawmill. I have never seen a 45 mm higher Mukhi bead. That also came this season. Weight also about 11 and a half grams. Then 26 came, 26 also 42, 43 mm, 27 of course the rarest, and one more unique thing came was the 28 Mukhi this time. Now 28 Mukhi also that we have procured is a 42 mm bead, very heavy, very nice, again non-medicinal. But the uniqueness is ki we already had the Nakshatra Mala 1 to 27, you know that. And you know, personally, I don't want to sell it also. But I don't want to part with it because we being Rudra Life, we have to have the rarest collection. And but in my mind, क्योंकि हिंदू एस्ट्रोलॉजी में हमारे यहाँ 28 नक्षत्र माने जाते हैं and the 28th nakshatra is the Abhijit nakshatra, which is between Uttarashadha and Shravan के बीच में जो first चरण of श्रवण nakshatra वो उत्तरशधा नक्षत्र बोलते हैं एंड उत्तरशधा सॉरी अभिजीत नक्षत्र बोलते हैं एंड अभिजीत मतलब जिस विल बी विक्टोरियस कैन नेवर फेल एंड स्पिरिचुअलिज्म स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड ऑल थिंग्स ऑफ पोजेशन अभिजीत नक्षत्र देता है तो 28 मुखी अभिजीत नक्षत्र है वो भी इस बार आया एंड यस आई थिंक सो रुद्र लाइफ इज ब्लेस्ड तो वहाँ पे और भी कुछ स्टोरीज आर डूइंग द राउंड्स कई लोग जो 70 इयर्स 75 इयर्स के ट्रेडर्स हैं हु नो द रुद्राक्ष मार्केट उनसे मैं मिला एक अत्री करके था उनसे मिला वो कहते हैं कि जब मैं छोटा था व्हेन आई वाज अबाउट 10-12 इयर्स तो मेरे पापा मुझे सुनाया करते थे कि एक समय था जब ऐसी फसल आई कि द फसल this time the yield was about 5 times the normal yield which is unheard of तो वो बोलते हैं कि 100 साल में एक बार ही ऐसी होती सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न कि और वहाँ पे लोग बोलते हैं कि ये तो म्यूज़ियम पीस है इसको तो म्यूज़ियम में रखना चाहिए कभी नहीं बेचना चाहिए और जब मैंने बीड्स देखे सौमिल मुझे ऐसा लगा कि दिस शुड बी इन पोजेशन ऑफ रुद्र लाइफ ओनली एंड ऑफ कोर्स इफ द फ्यू लकी वंस हु कैन गेट इट बिकॉज you know what kind of clients and believers that we have.
That's great to hear. And before we go ahead, like, can I, for our viewers, because I'm sure these beads which we are talking about, let alone possession, even the mere sight is so rare. So, can we educate our viewers first? What makes these so rare? And what kind of supply demand? How many years? Just with few examples, if you can tell us, what makes them so rare?
You'll be surprised. One customer of ours from Hyderabad, he flew in just to see the beads. There are two customers in Bombay. They came to see Taneji, मुझे वो beads के दर्शन करने. Of course, they are already wearing the Indramala 1 to 21, but they just wanted to see क्योंकि इसमें क्या होता है? It is something like suppose जैसे पुखराज है. तो पुखराज, there are people who wear a 10 carat पुखराज, a 12 carat पुखराज, but the mere sight. Or suppose anybody possesses a say 30 carat Pukhraj or a 54 carat Pukhraj. people who have experienced the power of a Pukhraj, for example, would like to see a rare 54. तो इसलिए अभी तक तो 4 लोग आ चुके हैं बिकॉज अभी तो सितंबर ही चल रहा है तो एंड दे हैव कम ओनली टू सी द टेक द दर्शन ऑफ द बीट्स एंड मे बी if the desire comes in and by Shiva's blessings maybe they can procure them also. हमारे पास generally रुद्राक्षों में there are basically 3 categories of people. One is the first timers. वो तो you know on all my podcast I say 5 मुखी पहन के देख लो कम से कम originally मिलेगा. But then who take Rudrakshas which are recommended from Rudra Lives. जैसे suppose करो our panel experts they suggest to someone based on their date of birth to wear a 7, 8 and 12. When people see the result, then they want to upgrade. The higher version of 7, as you know, is a 14. The higher version of 8 is also there, and they would like to have 11 also, 10 Mukhi also. And slowly, these people, they convert to Siddhamala. Because Siddhamala is what is absolutely mentioned in the Shastras that one should wear all Mukhi Rudraksh. So people who do an entry-level combination, they want to complete their Siddhamala first. After seeing the results of the Siddhamala, then they upgrade further. जैसे 8 का आगे 16 है, 12 का आगे 19 है. So then they go towards the Indramala. Of course, they see how they have fared in life. And these are all customers, Saumil, they are with us since 2003, 2004, 2007. They are there with us and seeing their journey for the last 15 years, 10 years. They are so happy. They are so contented. All their desires are fulfilled. And these are all professionals. There are, of course, suppliers who, have atrocious claims also. We don't claim anything, but that desire comes from within. तो जैसे वो श्रीमद् देवी भागवतम में भी जो श्लोक है बहुना जन्मना मनते महादेव प्रसादतः रुद्राक्ष धारणे वांछा स्वभाव देव जयते. Rudraksh comes only if it is in your destiny or good fortune. So people have this desire which is from within. So then the Siddhamala people, they graduate to the Indramala. Once a person has an Indramala, generally जितने हमारे clients हैं, at least 85 to 90% of them are number one in their own fields. Now a desire of course comes because now they would like to pass on the Indramala to their next generation. So they always have a desire, why don't we add these rarer beats like a 22 which comes in 23. So we have a lot of believers and committed Shiv Bhakts जिनके पास किसी के पास 1 to 23 हो गया है. So they are looking for a nice 24, 25 to add on to their collection. किसी के पास 1 to 25 है. They are waiting for the 26 and then the 27. So ये rare varieties are majorly the buyers are not the first timers. They don't buy these beads. They will not even understand the importance of it until unless they have experienced it. Because of course, as you know, Indramala is a big investment and it is an investment for future generations. So people have this desire that if I have benefited a lot and my family has benefited a lot, why don't I pass on a rare heritage or a gift of Shiva to my next generation? So they are the ones who keep on upgrading their combinations and they are the ones who appreciate these rare beads which come in nature.
I have one question. So how many people in the world today would be possessing a mala made of 1 to 27 Mukhi?
1 to 27, none. As I said that 12 years back, we got the 27. We still have that Nakshatra Mala. Now the second 27 has come, which also we have. So, yeah, I'm the only one.
Brilliant. And now that the 28 has come, I think it just changes the dynamic of what we
Oh,
knew
yes.
about Rudraksh.
Oh, yes, it does. And again, maybe there is someone who is fortunate enough to have this possession.
That is brilliant. So when you had also mentioned that 21 is a bead which is relatively people associated with texts. You have mentioned that there are some rarest varieties of 21 you have seen. Can you highlight a little more on these rare varieties of 21 Mukhi which we have got?
Now, so 21 Mukhi, of course, represents Bhagwan Kuber. 21 Mukhi generally comes in three types of varieties. One is a Gauri Shankar shape. So who cannot afford the round one, they go for the 21 Mukhi Gauri Shankar. That also the results are wonderful. The bead is also high priced. Then comes the round 21. Round 21, a very big size. Today, if you go for a 36 or a 37 would cost in crores. If say a 41, 42 would be much, much higher. Uh, 21 third form is the 21 Mukhi Trijuti. That also we have the best. And 21 Trijuti, people say that it is equivalent to wearing the entire Indramala because it's a Trijuti form. That means which encompasses Gauri Shankar also and three beats together. And it has 1 to 21 because it has 21 Mukhis. So many people, apart from having an Indramala for themselves, because of course they keep it in their house, they wear it during Anushthan, or maybe they wear it for 2-3 hours a day, but they always have a desire ki ek 21 mukhi trijuti I wear all throughout. So it is a very good representative of an Indramala. तो ये तीन फॉर्म्स होते हैं, गौरी शंकर फॉर्म 21, त्रिजुटी फॉर्म 21 एंड द 21 राउंड. So what we have is the complete range we have at Rudraksha. So people can come visit, and as you know, we don't charge. All in our events, entries are free. All our recommendations are also free. So people can take this unique advantage which only Rudra Life offers and nobody else does.
You recently mentioned that you came back from Nepal. This is the month of September. And something also else happened in Nepal, which became worldwide news and trending on all platforms because of our very close association and welfare, which we do for Nepal as well. From your experience, would you like to share some points on what has happened and your wish?
Um, Somil, I monitor. I'm in touch with Nepal on a regular basis. So it was very unfortunate that has happened in Nepal. Nepal people are very, very innocent and loving people. I'm sure there were certain elements inside who wanted basically anarchy. It's my opinion. Because my take is only one. You go anywhere in Nepal, लॉर्ड पशुपति नाथ इज रिवर्ड लाइक एनीथिंग. जैसे आप अगर हरिद्वार जाओगे तो सब लोग क्या बोलते हैं, गंगा मैया की कसम, राइट? अगर आप वृंदावन या कृष्ण के धाम जाओगे, सब लोग आपको राधे 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 राधे. नर्मदा जी को माँ और अपना बेसिक देव मानते. नेपाल में एवरी इंडिविजुअल सेज पशुपतिनाथ, मतलब उनके लिए ही इज द नंबर वन डेटी. और जब मैंने न्यूज़ सुनी कि देयर वाज अ प्लान्ड अटैक एट पशुपतिनाथ, सौमिल, तभी मेरी घंटी बज गई कि दिस इज नॉट जेंजी, दिस इज नॉट नेपाल पीपल, दिस इज समथिंग ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. I don't know by whom, but miscreants and bad elements were surely there because Nepal is so rich in Shiva culture that this can never even, मतलब nobody in their wildest dreams can imagine. ठीक है, आप बाकी सब चीज़ें करो and but second point which was interesting is कि 1.5 days में everything was solved. And the students, it was a protest by Gen Z students, they were cleaning the streets. They also never wanted their national monuments to be destroyed. So definitely it was a game of some miscreants. अब क्या होता है कि in Nepal, there is an influence of everyone because it is so strategically located at the center. So China has an influence, Pakistan also has interference there, India also has interference, and of course US has interference everywhere. So like for example China, we are fighting since last 6-7 years on this Chinese medicines they are putting in the fertilizers on the Rudraksh, and they are spoiling the Rudraksh. Why? Their intention is कि Nepal and India का spiritual connection is through Shiva and his Rudraksh, तो destroy कर दो. अब मैं एक एग्जांपल बताता हूँ विच इज़ वेरी यूनिक. अभी आपने रिसेंटली देखा होगा इन ऑल वेबसाइट्स देयर आर मेनी वेबसाइट्स विच आर प्रमोटिंग निराकार, राइट? There is a you might have heard एक निराकार रुद्राक्ष. I don't know what price they are selling for, but you know nirakar is a made up product. These beads, I got 5-6 beads. This bead does not have any mukh, right? No mukh. And inside X-ray shows clearly a 5-mukhi. So what Chinese they did is, क्योंकि रुद्राक्ष अपने शास्त्र में भी लिखा है शिव पुराण में कि रुद्राक्ष कुटीला होता है वही अच्छा होता है. नाउ कुटीला मीन्स चाइनीज की स्किन सेंसिटिव होती है. दे वांटेड फर्स्ट कि रुद्राक्ष उनके कल्चर में आ जाए. सो वी विल ग्रैब द इंटायर प्रोड्यूस ऑफ नेपाल एंड वी विल नॉट लेट इट गो टू इंडिया. That was their basic intention initially. Now, for them, Khurdura, because of their skin, is not sellable. So they wanted रुद्राक्ष which are चिकना. उसको चिपलो बोलते हैं नेपाली में. तो चिकना उनको रुद्राक्ष चाहिए था. तो what they did is they sprayed chemicals on the tree and जो रुद्राक्ष निकल के आया उसमें ये सारे मुख बंद होने लगे. They treated those trees. अभी भी ये ट्री है. कैन यू इमेजिन व्हाट इज द प्राइस ऑफ दिस बीड आई बॉट? वी डोंट एंडोर्स इट बिकॉज इट इज एक्चुअली अ 5-mukhi एंड केमिकली ट्रीटेड. यू कैन से इट्स अ केमिकली ट्रीटेड 5-mukhi रुद्राक्ष made so that engineered so that, and you can engineer all fruits and vegetables. You have seedless grapes, you have seedless papayas these days. So they have done this in order to eliminate all the mukhi. So this is being now sold as nirakar. This I bought it for about 120 rupees each bead. Indian 120 rupees one bead. So I don't know what people are selling on the website. So Rudralife doesn't endorse the nirakar. So Chinese have been at this since long now. So yeah, my fight still goes on. मैं वहाँ का एक संघ का मेंबर भी हूँ, ऑनररी मेंबर. रुद्रलाइफ एक शहर में एक कंट्री में एक ही होता है. सो वी आर टेकिंग इट अप विद द बॉडीज कंसर्न कि ये सब ना हो. हमारी धरोहर जो है नेपाल और इंडिया की शिव के माध्यम से वो बरकरार रहे. सो चाइनीज हैव बीन एट प्ले. दे ऑल्सो हैव a lot of Confucius schools bhi hai, and then they want to impose Mandarin also amongst those people. But then it's up to Nepal people to decide. They are a sovereign nation and they are very, very smart and very, very committed and very humble people. And I hope they realize that हिंदू संस्कृति पे वो जोर दें. वही हमारे रूट्स हैं और अनादिकाल से रहे. एंड भगवान पशुपतिनाथ सबकी रक्षा करें और सबको अच्छा मार्गदर्शन दिखाएं.
You definitely pointed something out which I have also been observing, and I'm sure everyone on the internet, which with information available to them, can see that the claims. Whereas I know that Rudralife claims on the quality of the bead, but we have seen claims made by certain people, organization. We don't want to name anyone, which spread misinformation and I would say a more demeaning light on the whole subject. Have you felt this yourself? Because we hear and we see everything around this subject. Do you want to share some light here?
Saumil, very simple answer is we are in this since 25 years. There are many people, but they all are new babies. You tell me even one organization, there might be maximum 2 whom I know of. But other than that, all with big claims, all with new websites, all with, different type of marketing strategy, claims, etc. They are all not more than 3 years old. इनके ये बोलते हैं 3 पीढ़ियों से हैं, 2 पीढ़ियों से हैं. ये आलू पूड़ी बेचते थे सौमिल. We know everything, and even local Nepalis they know about their history. 3 साल 4 साल पहले they started, maybe, and now they are claiming 3 generations. They are claiming कि नेपाल के कुछ लोग हैं बोलते हैं पशुपतिनाथ में वो पूजा करा के देते हैं. पूजा करा के देना on a temple is the biggest scam that is happening. I know of many these startups also कि पूजा करा के देंगे. They don't do any पूजा unfortunately, which is so very bad. It hurts me actually because देखो आप प्राइस कुछ भी लगा लो, मेरा ये ऑनेस्ट मानना है, बट डोंट प्ले ऑन फेथ ऑफ पीपल. दिस इज माई पर्सनल बिलीफ. अगर पूजा करा के बोल रहे हो, यू नो हाउ स्ट्रिक्ट वी फॉलो, तो पूजा करवाओ भाई, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा होगा, चार्ज देम, बट डोंट टेक फ्लावर्स फ्रॉम द मार्केट, उतरे हुए फ्लावर्स उसी पैकेट में डाल दिए और बोल दिया कि जी पशुपतिनाथ की पूजा होगी. टुडे you come with to Pashupatinath, you cannot get the puja done, you cannot get your Rudraksh touched to the Shivling, it is impossible. How do you claim that एक आपके पैकेट्स अगर सपोज करो किसी के 2 जा रहे हैं 3 जा रहे हैं पर डे, you mean to say he will give this 5,000 rupees slip and get the major darshan? वो तो हो ही नहीं सकता. तो they just take used flowers, they put it in that and कहते हैं कि हो गया. Please don't do that. And that is the reason there are many players who came in 7 years ago, 2 साल रहे और फिर चले गए. If देखो, सबसे पहले तो I know Shiva is seeing everything. So वो justice ठीक है, थोड़ा लेट दे देंगे, but मिलेगा जरूर. We were the first ones to give how to test a Rudraksh. Now there are laboratories mushrooming all across because there is no control. They don't even have knowledge on how to test. वो तो हमने कभी किसी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बोल दिया एक्सरे एनालिसिस, सब एक्सरे छाप रहे हैं. आई हैव प्रूफ ऑफ द सेम बीड गिवन क्लासिफिकेशन एज 2 डिफरेंट मुखीज, द सेम बीड. और आज की डेट में तो इतना तक पॉलिटिक्स हो रही है, या हॉरिबल थिंग्स दैट इज हैपनिंग इज कि उनको कुछ भी प्राइस दे दो तो वो कुछ भी लिख देंगे. नाउ टू अ लेबोरेटरी गाय हु एक्चुअली लेबोरेटरी टेस्टिंग कितनी होती, you give him 20,000 rupees, he'll tell that a 20 mukhi is a 21, or a 19 converted to 21 is a 21. He'll give it in writing. इतनी मशरूम हो गई लेबोरेटरी, बट ज्ञान कहाँ से लाओगे? ज्ञान requires a lot of commitment and a lot of exploration also. Now you know what energizing we do. We do based on shastras. इनके बीज मंत्र होते हैं. 72 hours का ritual है Saumil, and it happens even on the 5 mukhi. So one has to take his own personal call. We were the first ones to do scientific research on the bead. We are the only ones who have a published book on Rudraksh, which is the bestseller since so many years. Now it is in 4 languages: Hindi, English, Marathi, and Gujarati. So we are the first ones to tell the world what is Rudraksh and how it affects. And we give free recommendation to everyone. Just because of a price point, तो उसमें आप एक बार बताओ, इट इज समथिंग लाइक यू से देयर इज अ शोरूम इन नवी मुंबई विच इज गिविंग यू अ मर्सिडीज ई क्लास फॉर 2 lakh rupees. हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? सो one has to, if you are going for Rudraksh, which is going to be in your family for generations to come, जो आप अपने अगली फ्यूचर जनरेशन को दे रहे हो, प्लीज गो विजिट देम, सी देम, एनालाइज कि लोग कैसे हैं, कौन है. जस्ट डोंट गो ऑन प्राइस क्या है, व्हाट्सएप, यू नो, दिस इज cheapness. You cannot haggle on a product of Lord Shiva. So one has to be very very conscious of what they are buying. क्योंकि मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा दुख होता है जब a person comes to me with a 18 मुखी converted to 21, बड़ी श्रद्धा से 4 साल पहले लिया था, और of course प्राइस के कारण, एंड ये वो सारी पूजाएं करवा रहे हैं, मल्लिकार्जुनम जा रहे हैं, सब जगह करा रहे हैं, एंड नाउ ही कम्स एंड ही गेट्स टू नो दैट इट इज अ फेक. Don't you think that is more hurtful than the price? So these beads, the rare beads, even 14 onwards, 14 and upwards, one has to be very very careful.
This phenomena, many of our clients, from me especially, who are in touch, they have recently mentioned, I mean, if maybe 20% of them maybe reach out, but 80% don't. So they are being pitched through certificates. You know, that certificate is something which people don't question. Maybe they don't know how to read a certificate. So if you can highlight, you know, how consumer or a Rudraksh, just a person who wants to buy a Hayamukhi should be careful of in a certification which they receive.
The problem is, Saumil, that there is no body to govern a certificate or certification. कोई अच्छा गोल्ड का एम्बोर्स करके बना दे एंड ही इज टेकिंग फुल प्राइस ऑन इट, हाउ मच वुड अ सर्टिफिकेट कॉस्ट? I would say the person should dwell deep, go and visit them. It doesn't cost anything. Yeah, if you're buying, and again, as I said, if it is a newcomer, just go for a 5 mukhi. Simple. You will always get a genuine 4, 5, 6. यही पहनो. अच्छी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थोड़ी बहुत क्रेडिबल लग रही है, 7 मुखी तक ले लो, 3, 7, 8 भी ले लो. डोंट गो फॉर रेयर 14 2 लाख रुपए का है यार. कैच अ फ्लाइट 15,000 जाएंगे. See the organization, meet them, by just talking and send it by courier. I know people, Saumil, who are running एक backdrop लगा लेते हैं अपने पीछे, and they have just a small setup and nothing, and then they say that 3 generation 5, it's all online. I don't trust. That is why Rudlife is the only one which goes on exhibitions to various places. They meet, interact with people, and of course they हमारे सारे clients आ चुके हैं, हमारे office आते हैं. They take part in our pujas and rituals, and they know us inside out. Now that's the beauty. We want to stay connected. आज की डेट में why do we have satisfied customers is because they consider us as good advisors in their journey. We don't do any false claims, etc. One of my customer, he accidentally saw one clip of ours. We did a podcast together, and it was about 21 mukhi. तो उन्होंने वो क्लिप मुझे भेजी कि तने सो इंटरेस्टिंग कि उसमें क्या, एंड ही ऑलरेडी वेयर्स आर इंद्रमाला 1 to 21. तो उन्होंने मेरे को वही क्लिप काट के मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे भेजी, एंड इट सेड दैट वेयर आई एम मेंशनिंग कि तुमने मेरे से पूछा कि 21 मुखी से पैसा आता है क्या, तो मैंने जवाब दिया इसमें तो पैसा जाता है. You remember that podcast? So he sent me that clip, and maybe he stumbled on it just recently, but this was an old one. But he said कि Taneji really appreciate. It's a fact. But now he's contented, he's happy. As I said, 21 is for preservers and for next future generations, so that you don't go down. So yeah, we feel nice if your hard work and your commitment is appreciated in this form.
I definitely believe that money doesn't get you these Rudraksh. I always tell whenever we are doing our events, a person who genuinely is blessed and has faith of a different kind, and most importantly blessing, can only tread this path and reach levels of Indramala.
Okay, so Saumil, I have one question for you. You did a recent event in Singapore, and it was all digitally organized, and you had a lot of clients. So share some experiences, what you saw in Singapore or what you felt in Singapore.
Personally, I feel Singapore is the benchmark for what India strives to be. If I would say unity and diversity, I would say there is nothing better of an example than Singapore. And we had almost 200 clients, families who received the power of Rudraksh and the optimism. I really feel that Singaporeans are blessed, and it was such an honor sharing our experience, our knowledge, and our Vedic traditions to the best of our extent. And almost every person was delighted by the power of Rudraksh.
Were these all ethnic Indians, or
they were a mixed? This was the first time where Singaporean Chinese really embraced Rudraksh. I would say 50% of our new clients, new families which we met, were Singaporean Chinese, and they brought all of their friends and relatives together with them. And I have photos and videos. I think we can clip them in the podcast as well.
Yeah. So presence of Shiva and the relevance of Lord Shiva and his teachings are global, and people do get excited about. One is, of course, the religious aspect of Shiva, and the second is the spiritual aspect of Shiva, the chakra aspect of Shiva, the energizing, the empowering aspect of Shiva. So that really fascinates people from all cultures. And वो कहते ना कि कभी कभी भगवान को भी भक्तों से काम पड़े, जाना था गंगा पार प्रभु केवट की नाव चढ़े. So the more Saumil you will spread the name of Shiva, he will help you, and with truthfulness, honesty, and full devotion to him, he will bless you like anything. This is my life story, and I would like to pass it on to you.
Thank you so much. Now that the festive season has started, we just finished with our Shraddh periods as well. Pitru Paksh is now done. We are looking forward to some very, very auspicious festivals which we celebrate, which include Diwali and Dhanteras. A lot of celebrations are coming as well at Rudra Life. So for someone who is looking forward to Diwali. What can the world of Rudraksh offer for them?
Very interesting, Somil. This was always my thought process and my desire. Technically, when we have done analysis of the composition of Rudraksh at both ICT and NITSA Biologicals in Hyderabad, Rudraksh itself contains copper, iron, magnesium, gold, and silver. So the uniqueness of Rudraksh is that it has gold in it. Now, this, of course, it takes it from the soil. What better thing than this, which is gift of Lord Shiva, blessings of his during Dhanteras? I would urge everyone to go ahead for the seven mukhi Rudraksh, क्योंकि सात मुखी लक्ष्मी जी का भी होता है. Now we have a lot of forms of seven mukhi. One, of course, is our famous Shani Kantha, 33 beads of seven mukhi. You have seven mukhi hanging. You have seven mukhi Mahalakshmi bracelet. And you have seven mukhi in cash box, which people keep it. And now, seven mukhi is a bead, again representing Saptarishi and Anant Nag also, and Mahalakshmi. So Dhanteras pe they can take these products which do not require any calculations of date of birth or astrology, etc. It is universally a product which is a favorite of lakhs of people. You already know it's our best-selling product. So seven mukhi in cash box in Dhanteras will be very good. A Mahalakshmi bracelet would be very good. Knowing the fact that seven mukhi is not only for Lakshmi, but Rudraksh itself contains gold. So people can go for it. Ganesh Lakshmi ऑल्सो ड्यूरिंग दिवाली, जो दिवाली पूजन होता है उसमें गणेश लक्ष्मी जो दोनों हैं, गणेश रुद्राक्ष रिप्रेजेंटिंग गणेशा एंड सातमुखी रिप्रेजेंटिंग लक्ष्मी, कैन बी केप्ट एट पूजा प्लेस ऑल्सो. वहाँ पे इंस्टॉल किया जा सकता है. एंड न्यू बिगनिंग्स हैं, नया साल शुरू होगा, तो विशिंग एवरीवन प्रॉस्परस न्यू ईयर एंड हैप्पीनेस, जॉय, पीस, love, what best you can get out of life. So this is what my message is. And इस धनतेरस पे सभी लोग धन्वंतरी और लक्ष्मी जी को अपने घर में उनको रुद्राक्ष के माध्यम से भी बुला सकते हैं. Apart from the basic seven mukhi, we also have various combinations in gold. If people have a desire कि गोल्ड में गोल्ड हम लेकर आना चाहते हैं, तो ऑफ कोर्स रुद्राक्ष की जो मालाएं हैं, जो 4 mm 5 mm की माला विच आर डन इन गोल्ड, दैट ऑल्सो पीपल कैन बाय ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आर देयर इन गोल्ड. For the exclusive people who want to invest, this is the best time to bring in 21 mukhi, because it is for Kuber. It is for so that this is the most I feel in entire year the most auspicious time to procure a 21 mukhi or an Indramala is this Deepavali. Bring in prosperity. That's what I would suggest.
Om Namah Shivaya. We hope that this podcast was a really insightful and a valuable and something which we wanted to share with the world. These beads which we have ourselves seen for the very first time are definitely a blessing for the visual eye and for every devotee of Lord Shiva. So with this episode, we were able to understand the different types of rarest of the rare Rudraksh, which Rudalife is now the proud owner of. And we wish that your blessings and your journey of Rudraksh goes deeper and more blessings along for you and your family. And if you have any queries, any questions, you can always reach out to us through WhatsApp, as well as you can mention in the comments below if you want us to cover any further topic. And Om Namah Shivaya.